Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening,
Hello
ma'am.
everyone, good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening
Good
everyone.
evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Good evening,
Fine, then we get started. So we completed computation operation last class, but if you have any doubts from the exercise, please start posting your doubts in the chat box. We'll quickly do that. And then today I'll be sharing the computation operation test with you people on chat. People, Olympiad Success will also be sharing it on WhatsApp. I'll tell you how to give the test. Say Advika.
ma'am. It's my brother's birthday.
Harsh or birthday.
Ma'am.
Good. Keep shining and all the best for this coming year. May all your dreams come true, Harsh.
Ma'am, thank you so much.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy your day. Don't study mathematics with her. If we have a match, if we happen to get a chance for a match, we'll call you, okay?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right.
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Bye. All right. Then Arnab, question number 9, Hanifa 9, Arnab 10 also. Done. Others, Anvita 5 and 6. Okay. Gia 4 and 5. All right. I'm noting it. You people can send me. Anvita 12. I'll share the screen in a while. Sadhna 4 and 6. Mm-hmm. Let me admit Tanisha. Yes, Shanaya, say.
Ma'am, like my father was looking for the homework and he couldn't find it, so like I didn't let him.
Oh, wait a second. Let me show it to you from the beginning then again. Have a look, okay? So first we come to olympiadsuccess.com here. Then I have my demo ID as this, but you will have your email ID coming here, okay? So you will put your email ID and then you will put the password, okay? After doing that, you have to click on sign in. So when you sign in, you should get the option of live classes, Shanaya. You'll come to live classes and under, are you watching me or you're stuck? Okay, you can hear me, right? And you can see my screen also. Okay, so go to
Ma'am, my
subject.
screen is freezing.
Yeah, maybe because of internet. So this is mathematics. You select mathematics. Are you able to see the drop down of mathematics, Shanaya? Or you're not able to see the mathematics option only? She froze again. Adya, I'm asking for set 2. Shanaya, can you see this? Hi, sir. Did you get the option of mathematics Olympiad in this drop down? Or you were not getting this option? Under live classes?
Yeah, we are getting. No, we are getting.
You're not getting any drop down?
We are getting. No, we are not.
Okay, in that
One
case,
minute.
you need to click on this link, sir. The orange color link you see on the screen, Olympiad Success /live/book my batch. So when you click on this link, you will have to re-enter your email ID here, whatever your email ID is, and then click on submit. When you click on submit, then you will be given some options of the various math batches going on. Like ours is batch 1 and the timings are also given so that you can clarify that. So it's like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 o'clock. So you select that batch and once it is selected, then you can log out and log in again. So when you log out and log in again, you can see this drop down coming.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, welcome. In case you still don't see that coming, okay, then you can definitely ask Olympiad Success to help you. They'll show you that again. But remember to log out and log in again. Okay, let me go back to the sheet. So see, because I clicked on that link, no, so I have to always log in back from there. There's a, like this is how it works. Okay, fine. I'll come to computation operation set 2, let me open it. Okay, the questions which I got from here starts from 4, 5, 11, 12. I'm doing set 1, I'm starting. Adya, it's too slow. The maximum I will wait for your answers is, you know when? I will be only waiting till the next class. Because everyone remember, it might be because of internet issues or because of not able to opening the homework that you might not have got access to the homework yet or anything like that or did not get time to do that. Please remember that the next class is going to be a doubt discussion class. That means in the next class, we will be doing the discussion of the test paper of computation operation. On that day, I will still give you a chance to ask your doubts from the exercise. So that's the last day. If you do not do your homework till then I will make you wait another week till we have another discussion class. And that is a forceful punishment so that you people finish the work on time. Okay? Fine. So let us start with the first question. Say Samriddhi.
Ma'am, where to find it?
This one I just showed you, right? Live classes, computation operations, set 2.
Okay.
Okay. So the first question is question number 2. Then we have 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 9, 10, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 9, 10, 11, 12. That's all I got. Fine then. So it's almost 7 minutes now. So I'm writing a stop. I will not be taking other doubts now. Okay. Now let me just copy this and paste it in the chat box for my reference. These are the doubts we are going to discuss right now. So question number 2 starts with a true and a false. So let's get started. Yes, these questions are included, Vedant. Do not worry. So let's get started, everyone. The first question says true or false. So firstly, we will be solving the left-hand side and then we will check whether it matches with the right-hand side answer, that is 99 or not. Okay. So let's start with the first part. Firstly, I remember that I have to go by the BODMAS rule. So there we start with the bracket. But the bracket itself has so many signs in it. So what should we do? We should go with both the signs, addition and multiplication. What comes first? Multiplication. So first we will multiply 2 times 8. What do we get? 16. So 83 plus 16 is my first step. How much should I get, Shanaya? Advika, doubt. I'll come to you. Say, Shanaya, how much should I get? 83 plus 16? Ouch.
Ma'am, 83 plus 60 is 143.
83 plus 16. Add one digit at a time, Shanaya. Add the ones place and then add the tens place. Do it.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I thought something else. I thought
No problem. Say.
3 plus 6, 9, 8 plus 9, 99.
99. Thank you. Say, Advika, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, my doubt was that I didn't understand that asterisk between 2 and 8.
Oh, asterisk is multiplication, Advika. Next time note it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And the next step is 198 minus 99. So I want this to be done by Aditi. Aditi, 198 minus 99.
Ma'am, the answer is 99.
And that is completely matching with the right hand side of the equals to sign. So therefore, we will say that it is a true statement. Any problem, anyone? Any doubts? Thank you. Then, Shana, you can mute yourself. Say, Vedant, what's the doubt in the second one?
Ma'am, the reason why I give second question as a dot is because I'm 83. In the bracket it is studying 83 plus 2 with this sign. With this
Yeah, that is asterisk. So asterisk also means multiplication, Vedant. You can note it for the upcoming questions.
okay.
That was just a learning for you through the question. Okay, after this, we have the next doubt as question number 4. So, Samriddhi, tell me what's the first step to take here? Samriddhi, Srivastav first and then Singh. Both of you are SS. It's so difficult for me. He says Samriddhi.
Ma'am, so first we solve the first bracket, which is 63 plus 12 equals to 75.
63 plus 12. Okay. Will we not directly use the option, Samriddhi? Is it really necessary to go by solving the entire equation? Remember, we did a similar question in the class also.
Yes, ma'am.
So 232 is divisible by which of the following options? Did you try it?
Ma'am, I'm solving.
Okay, you solve it. Samriddhi Singh, did you try it?
Ma'am, no, I was going for 63 plus 12.
Okay. Anirudh, say what happened?
Yeah.
Doubt? You want to answer? Then turn on your video. People without videos are not allowed to answer. Say, which number works?
Ma'am, 29 works. Ma'am,
29 works.
29.
Okay. Thank you, Samriddhi. Thank you, Anirudh. So, people,
Because
you
232
actually,
divided by 29.
okay. Okay. So, just for everyone, listen to me carefully, okay? I'm going to teach you something which is never written in books. This is only something which everyone learns with practice. So, please listen to me carefully. I will use my hit and trial method. This is called as hit and trial method. And seriously speaking, ma'am doesn't remember 27 stable, 25 stable, 21 stable, 29 stable. I don't remember any of the triples. And I proudly say this because you don't have to do the rote learning when you have that very powerful tool in your hand. Tool number 1, hit and trial, that is applying common sense. And the tool number 2 is speed maths. This is something mental maths. Why you should practice doing mental maths at home when you're free. Start doing it. You know, the best place to do mental maths is when you're actually doing shopping. You accompany your parents or anyone around you who is doing shopping with you, either online or offline, and you just practice it with them. When you see an item at 20% off, do it yourself and check if the amount they are showing is exactly 20% or not. Is it actually subtracting that amount or not? So quick subtractions. Like if I say that, okay, I'm offering you a $20 discount on that. So actually subtract it quickly from the amount. Doing these calculations will make your brain muscles stronger. Okay, so these are the two tricks, hit and trial method and mental maths. These are the two things which you can use in such questions, and avoid learning the tables of such big numbers. So let's see this. I know the last digit is 7. Okay, I need a volunteer here. So Janvi, I'll call you up. In the table of 7, what should I multiply with 7 to end up in a 2? 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3.
7 times 1. So 1 second, ma'am.
Don't get nervous. It's okay. You can do it orally also with me. 7 times 1, 2, 3, 4. No raising hand for answering, Anirudh. You already got a chance. And no one else will raise hand for answering questions. Only in the chat box.
5 ones are 35, 6 ones are 42. 6 sevens are 42.
Thank you. 6 sevens are 42. Now, I know this thing very clearly. Okay. That 27 times 6 will not give me a 232. You can check it. You can check it yourself. So therefore, 27 is cancelled. It's not fully dividing 232. 25 cannot divide 222 because it will end up in a 5 only, and that's not happening in this number. For 21, what can be done for 21? See, honestly speaking, 21 ends up in a 2 in this case. Any other case when it ends up in a 2? Manvik, any other case? 21 times any other number which ends up in a 2? Never.
Dividing it.
Exactly, Manvik. In this case, you can actually save time by dividing it because it's 21. So 21 times 1 leaves 22. You know that this number is not going to get divided. It will leave a remainder of 1. So that's how we end up getting 29 as an answer because all the other things will end up wrong. Is that okay, everyone? Those who had a doubt in the fourth one, a lot of you had a doubt in the fourth one. Clear? Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, then how do we get 29?
Because if you divide 232 by 29, you end up getting an answer. Tell me, guess and tell me what will be the answer. If you look at the digit 2, 9 times what ends up in a 2?
9 times. 1 second, ma'am.
Go at the end. Go at the end because 9 times 9 is 81. So 1. So go one step up.
9, 8 is 72.
So when you try doing this, you will get that 29 times 8 is actually 232. We are just doing hit and trial, Sadhna. Even I don't know whether 9 times 8 is 232 or not. I just did hit and trial and I found out that yes, it works. All because of the last digit, Sadhna. This guess was only because of the last digit.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? This guess makes it faster. Say, Jia. Thank you.
Why didn't you multiply it with the first digit? No, why did you multiply it only with the last digit?
Because in the multiplication questions, the last digit remains intact. Whenever we do a 2-digit multiplication, what happens? Like, for example, I tell you that multiply 17 with 29. So, 9 times 7, 63, 6 here, 15 here, and then we put a cross, remember? In the double multiplication, 7 times 2, 14, carry 1, 2 times 1, 3. So this 3 will always remain intact, Gia, no matter whatever carry forwarding is coming over here in the remaining answer. So that's why last digit.
Yeah, I got that. And hit and trial method is basically like you just try it by yourself.
Try it by yourself. Correct. Check it by the options.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Gia. Thank you. Say Aditi.
Ma'am, I have one more trick to check whether the numbers are divisible or not.
Say no.
Ma'am, let's say for example 21. 21 when multiplied by 10 equals to 210. If we add 21, it will become 231. It is not 232.
Correct. Closest multiple. Thank you, Aditi. The next doubt is number 5 and then 6. Okay, off. The reason why most of you might have selected it as your doubt question is off. So BODMAS, O stands for 2 answers. Okay, I mean 2 things. O for off and O for order. Order we already did in the class, which is equals to power, which is equals to exponents. There are so many nicknames for this thing. Okay, it is also called as index and so on. But off is nothing but multiplication. See, technically, the general use case of off is for fractions. Let's say when I say, give me half of the apples. So if there are 12 apples, half of the apples means 1 by 2 multiplied with 12. That is 6 apples. But that is not just restricted to fractions. I mean, it is generally used for fractions, but there is no harm in using it for whole numbers or integers as well. Let's say I can say, can you give me 2 of those cupcakes? You would be like, why is ma'am always talking of food? Apples, cupcakes. It can be pen, pencil, books as well. What to do? No other example comes to my mind. 2 of those cupcakes. So 2 of those cupcakes means 2 multiplied with whatever the price of 1 cupcake is. Okay. So it's like that. So of always ends up meaning multiplication. Okay. So no, Janvi, I had my dinner. so of means multiplication. So here we will do 56 divided by 7 multiplied with 2 plus 117. But here's a catch. Here's a catch. Here's a catch. See, the answer would not change, but I'm still requesting everyone that please multiply first. The reason being that is this was off and O comes before D. Okay. So please multiply first 56 divided by 14 plus 170. And then divide it. You get a 4 and then 4 plus 117 is 121. Is it okay? Question number 5 clear? Yes, Amriti, that's right. Thank you, Rianshi. Okay, fine. Sejia.
Ma'am, so if suppose, how would we know if it's a off or if it's a multiplication sign?
Off. If it's written in the question off, then do it first. And if it's written as a cross sign, then do multiplication. So you can do whatever you want. Okay. All right. Question number 6. Advika say.
Ma'am, but aren't we supposed to solve the division first?
Just because of off, Advika. Just because of O coming first, we have to follow O first. Had it been written as a cross sign, you should have done division first.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay then. Fine. Let's go with question number 6. So the same thing. In question number 6, this time I would say that, okay, you people understand what is independent? Do you people know what is independent? Advika, by mistake, send you the unmute request. Devashri, tell me what is independent?
It means you can do something by yourself and you don't need any other's help.
Absolutely. If you look at the, okay, you people are aware what is a variable, right? Variable is a letter which can have any numerical value assigned to it. So R is the variable for us here. This R is independent, segregated from the remaining part of the question. Because earlier what was happening when we were using the options method, it was somewhere in the middle of the equation and it was very hard to get it off that equation. Here it's segregated, here it's independent. So please solve this part of the equation, shift it to this side and then get the value of R. Can we do that? Let's try. So Parth, first tell me what is 17 of 18.
Ma'am, 17 multiplied by 18.
Good. 8 times 7?
56.
5 carry. 7 plus 5?
7 plus 5 is 3. 12.
12. Cross 18. So add them up. What's the product?
306.
Correct. 306. Thank you so much. Shrihan, now that we got 306,
pillow.
what's the next step?
Pillow.
Ma'am, we should multiply.
Yes. Multiply with what? We already multiplied Shrihan and got 306. Parth be like, now I will study in full comfort. Say Shrihan. 306 is done, sir. What's the next step? That's a very smart way of answering. He's thinking. Keep thinking. Sanika, what's the next step?
Ma'am, you mean after what?
Louder, louder, Sanika.
Ma'am, we have to subtract 363 by 306.
Okay, correct. Then what is the value we get?
57.
357 or only 57?
Ma'am, 57.
Thank you. Arnav, last step. What to do now?
Ma'am, we have to shift R by side of 117. 777.
We will keep R here. We will shift the 57 to the other side. Now the equation is R multiplied with 57 equals to 11172. So we will shift the 57, Arnav. What will we get? When a multiplication sign is shifted to the right side, what do we get?
Division.
Division. Thank you. Now you divide and tell me how much is this value. You can use the shortcut method by the last digit also. Check for the last digits. Last digits will help you in option elimination of 2 options, but definitely not. Then you have to approximate the answer also.
And 2 minutes.
2 minutes is too much of a time. Naman, can you help me here?
10 minutes.
People are coming and asking for minutes and minutes. No, no, no minutes for me. Advika, what happened?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
Which part? Tell me. We
Ma'am,
just solved this bracket, got 306. Then we subtracted 363 minus 306 to open this curly brackets. We got 57. Now we know R multiplied with 57 is this number given to us. So to calculate the value of R, Advika, we need to shift all the numbers on one side. So remember last class we did that whenever you're shifting numbers, plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus. Yeah, so the multiplication of 57 becomes division of 57. So now we have to divide this 5-digit number with a 2-digit number. Is that
Ma'am,
okay?
yeah, I didn't understand what the variable means.
Variable is any letter which represents a number, but the number is hidden to us. It's not given directly. We have to find out. That's why it's variable.
So the find P, find Q.
Yeah, the answer varies, so therefore variable. Yeah, the find P and all of that are variables only, Advika.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Rianshi, did you divide?
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Yeah, now 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you divide this?
Ma'am, the answer is 196.
Uh, but how did you get it? You divided the entire thing. Okay, let me talk about a shortcut. People, thank you so much. Thanks, that's the right answer, 196. But I have a shortcut for you people. So please listen to me carefully, okay? Shortcut number 1, the last digit. So of course, 7 times 9 ends in a 3 and my answer should end in a 2. So all the options which have a 9 at the end are eliminated. Then we need to check for 57. Is the number more than 200 or less than 200? For that, there are 2 options, guys. Your choice, okay? One is you actually do 57 times 2 and see what is the value you are getting. You're getting 114. And 114 is less than 111 or more than 111? More than 111. So, of course, when any one of you will be planning to divide it, look at my division. If like Reyanshi, you are also doing it by proper division like this, you can never write a 2 here because 2 would mean 114 and that is not possible. So therefore, the only option available with us is 1. So when I know my answer starts with a 1, ends with a 6, I have my answer, right? Even without calculating the full answer. So that's how this trick works here. Is it okay, everyone? Yes, no, maybe? Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, how did you get how did you get that there would be no 9
There will be no 9.
in the last digit?
Yeah, because see, this what does this expression means? I can write this expression like this also. 57 multiplied with some number should give me a 11172, right? So that
Yeah.
some number can be any of the 4 numbers. Now what I know here is that 7, the last digit, multiplied with some other number should end up in the last digit of 2. You remember I asked this question in the previous question also. 7 multiplied with what ends up in a 2? Only 6. So that's how I realized that 9 and 9 will not work.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Same Anvik. Okay, understood. Okay, Samriddhi Singh.
Ma'am, I didn't understand it
Samriddhi,
nicely.
video. Without video, no doubts.
Okay, ma'am.
Say.
Ma'am, I didn't quite understand, like, How we shifted the numbers from the part of the variable I didn't understand.
See, first you solved and got 57 on this part. Did you understand till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then there is a rule, Samriddhi. The rule is to balance the left and the right always. Okay. So in order to balance, let's say if I have a 10 here and if I have a 10 here and I plan to do a -2. So in order to balance it this side, I have to also do a -2 here so that it balances off.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? But sometimes what happens, I write two different numbers. Let's say I write a number 10 here and I write a number 12 here. So in order to balance it off, I plan to do a +2 here. Correct, Samriddhi? So that
Yes,
both of
ma'am.
them are 12 now. Now,
Yes.
my plan changed and I'm like, no, I don't want this 2 here. I want this 2 here. So I can't bring it like a +2 over here, right? Then the answer will still not be balanced. 10 is not equals to 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? And
Yes.
therefore, in order to balance it, Samriddhi, I'll have to bring the +2 to the other side, but in the opposite sign, that is -2. So only when I get this +2 on the right side with a -2, only then the equation will be balanced. And that is why any sign which is positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive, multiplication becomes division, and division becomes multiplication. So here, if I want to shift the 57, which is multiplied,
Last class lo
Anvita, 1 second. So, Samriddhi, when the 57 is shifted to the right side, which was multiplied earlier, it should become division.
Okay. Ma'am, so we need to have 10 plus 2 on one side and 12 minus 2.
No,
I mean,
that's
10
just when the
and then
+2 goes to this side, the +2 doesn't remain here. So you're only having a 10, and there on the right side you're having a -2.
okay, ma'am, I understood. Ma'am,
Yeah,
how will that apply with this?
because here it was earlier into 57, right, Samriddhi?
Yes, ma'am.
The 57 shifted from left to right. It came on the right side and it is no longer on the left side.
Yes, ma'am.
So because it came on the right side, from multiplication it become division. Understood now?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, for that number, we should check if it is 2 with the 7 table, ma'am.
Yeah, it ends with a 2 or not. So 7 times what number, Anvita, should end in a 2? You have to check like that.
Ma'am, why are we taking 7 table?
Because one of the numbers is 7. So 57 multiplied with, look at this part of the question. 57 multiplied with what number gives you a 11,172. So 7 multiplied with what number should end in a 2? That's why we are taking 7.
Ma'am, it is 6 now, ma'am.
It's 7, no? 57 is what we got when we solved the entire thing. Oh, the answer is 6. Yes, yes, Anvita. The answer is 6. So it should end in a 6. And that's how we eliminate option B and option C. It cannot
Ma'am,
end
but
in a
what
9.
about option D?
That's what we figured out, no? So after we found out that the answer should end in a 6, now we had to check that when I actually divide this number, this is the normal division method, right? When we divide this number, I just wanted to check, will my first digit of the quotient be a 1 or a 2? And for that, I had to double 57 times 2, Anvita. When I
So-
doubled it,
Ma'am, so we should check if we took 1 as the first example for 57 divided by that number. So we should check if the starting is if
1
the
or 2.
1 is started
Yes.
with 1 or 2.
Correct. Because the moment you figured out that if I do a double, I get 114, which is less than 111. So more than 111, so it's not possible. So that means I have to take a 1. And therefore, the only possible answer is option A because option D starts with a 2.
Yes, ma'am, I understood. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay, then question number 6 is sorted. Now let's move to the other question that has 7 and 9 in it. Okay, seventh one is very simple and easy. We will move fast on this. We will take the help of Mishika. Mishika, first operation. Quickly.
Ma'am, 25 plus 65.
Thank you. How much is 25 plus 65, Mishi?
9.
Thank you. 90 is correct. Naman, what's the next step?
Ma'am, we should multiply with ma'am 154.
That's okay. I mean, we have two options. We can divide also and we can multiply also. So what would you prefer? Multiplication will give me this big a number. This big. So we should actually make it smaller.
Divide with 14.
Divide. Thank you. I go with this option. So the answer for this option will be 154 divided by 14. How much is that going to be, Kashmir? Oh, we have Parth Padwal also today with us, with who's supporting Mumbai Indians. 154 divided by 14. Say, Kashmir.
I'm just dividing.
Do it fast. Others in the chat box,
I'm
please
11.
don't sit idle. Very good, Kashmir. That's right. It's 11. So we got a 90 times 11 as our next step. Yash, 90 times 11. Oh, that's easy.
90 times 11.
Mm-hmm.
990.
990. That's right. Now look at the equation very carefully, everyone. You might need it. Okay. Parth Padwal, I'll need your help. 365 minus 990. First, tell me, Parth, will my answer be positive or negative?
Ma'am, negative.
Yes, because the bigger number is negative. So now tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, minus 625.
Pakka.
Yes.
Very good. That's right. Minus 625 is the answer. Always remember, whenever you have a positive number and a negative number, this was the rule we learned. Please remember, signs are different. So you have to do subtraction here of the bigger number minus the smaller number. Once you do the subtraction of the bigger number minus smaller number, that is in this case 990 minus 365, you end up getting 625. The moment you get your answer, please go back to your big number and check what sign did the big number had. Here we had a negative. So the answer is minus 625, option D. Is that okay, everyone? Seventh number? No doubts? Good then. Number 9, we will do it with Shivani. Number 9, Shivani. Say, Advika, doubt?
No, ma'am, I just did it a different way. For shortcut, I just minus the last two numbers. So 65 minus 90.
Okay. That's fine. Thank you. Shivani, say. First step, Shivani.
And we have to solve the bracket. So we have to do 89 into 4.
How much is that?
Ma'am, it's 356.
Thank you. That's absolutely right. 356 minus A comes out as the bracket. Now what more?
Ma'am, now we have to divide, not divide
You
it.
can't divide this number by 5. We have a variable in it. We are stuck now. Manvik, what's the next step? Ibrahim, I'll come to you next. Manvik, what to do?
Ma'am, we will have to divide 14 by 154.
No. We are not doing the 7th question. Manvik, where are you?
I'm trying to listen, but I can't understand anything.
I didn't hear you. Say that again.
Ma'am, I'm not able to keep the track of the questions.
Why? This big
There was a really
annotations.
large
This
crowd on
big
the
annotations. Look at my screen. What is this? This big annotations. You can't track which question are we doing. Look at my annotations. Bad excuse, Manvik. Come up with a better one next time. Ibrahim, the 8th one.
Ma'am, 9th one.
9th one. My bad. 9th one. So, Sanvik, sorry. I forgot. Who did it with me? Sanika? No.
Ma'am,
I always
Shivani did.
Shivani. Thank you. Shivani asked me to multiply 89 with a 4 and then move further. 89 times 4 was how much, Shivani? 356, right?
Yes, ma'am, 356.
So she said, take 356, ma'am, subtract a from it, and then we were stuck in the next step. So Ibrahim, help me in this one. Manvik, videos on. Anirudh, Aradhya, Shrihan and Nanika, please turn on your videos. Go ahead. Say Ibrahim, help. Arnav, I'll come to you. Hold on. If not Ibrahim, then I'll come to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Say Ibrahim, what's the next step I should do for question number 9?
Ma'am, I think we have to go with the options.
Yes. The smartest way here is to go by the options, everyone. But. You can actually solve some part of the question already. For example, if you want, you can actually shift the 279 to the right side. Now, just like I was explaining it to one of the students here, when I shift the plus 279 to the right side, what will it become, Advika? 3, 2, 1. Sadhna, what will it become if I shift the 279 positive to the right side?
Ma'am, minus.
Thank you. So tell me what will be. Yes, Aradhya, I was about to call your name only. So say you have a doubt or you want to answer.
No, ma'am, I want to answer.
I was about to call your name. You just rose your hand. So Aradhya, tell me what's the subtracted value of 340 minus 279?
Ma'am, just 1 minute, ma'am. I'm doing the.
Okay. If you were not ready, why did you raise your hand? Okay, guys, you people don't worry. I'll call your names. And Naman, I've already given you a chance. So we'll come back to you after everyone has got one chance. There are many people who have not got a chance. So bye-bye. Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Aradhya,
I got the
can't
answer.
say fast.
Ma'am, the answer is 61.
That's correct. So the moment we get a 61, now we know that we have to first subtract something from this number and divide it by 5 so that we get the answer as 61. There is another solution to this as well. What if we shift the divided by 5 to the right side? Vedant, what will happen if I shift it to the right side?
Multiplication.
Correct. So 61 multiplied with 5 is how much, Vedant?
1 5s are 5. 6 5s are 30. 305.
Thank you. Yash, your background makes you look like a god. You're looking like a god in the sky. Seriously, I just for a moment felt like, oh my god, is God watching my class? Okay, Aradhya, you can unraise your hand. Say, Jia, you are raising your hand. Doubt?
No, ma'am, I wanted to answer.
Okay, then finish it off. 356 minus what number gives me a 305? Check the options.
Ma'am, 61.
Oh, how can that be 61? If I subtract 60 from 50, I would never live in 300s. It will come down to 200 something.
Okay.
Arnav, can you take and finish this question? Jia, will come back to you.
Yeah, ma'am. 50.
50 only. Huh? This is a 6. This is a 1. I mean, this is a 6. This is a 5. Nah, Arnav will find the nearest answer.
Ma'am, 51.
I will not give you marks for this. If at all, if I would have given you a mark. So A is 51, that's right. Because when we subtract 51 from 56, we are left out with a 5 and that is 305 in this case. Okay. So that's how you get your answer as 51 from the options directly like this if you want to solve and do it. Otherwise, you can do the division and then check. It's all the same, no problem. Say Jia.
Ma'am, I didn't understand why did you minus it by 51?
Because that's the question left out with us, no? Now the question left out is that 56 minus what number gives us a 305? Sorry, 356 minus what number gives us a 305?
But why, ma'am? Because like we need 340, right?
No, where do you see 340? We subtracted 279 from it. See, the entire operation is on your screen. 340 minus 279 because I shifted the plus from the left side to the right side, and then into 5 because I shifted the division sign to the right side.
Oh, got it.
That's why the number changed to 305. Okay. Welcome, welcome. Okay, these doubts are taking a lot of time. Say some. Oh, that's Sadhna. Say Sadhna.
Ma'am, you told that you were telling about the shortcut.
Shortcut.
No,
In
like
this.
before this, you were telling you could solve some part and then guess it.
Yeah. So what we can do here is if you're really good at calculation like in division, then you can just solve till this much and look for an answer that what would you get when you divide it by 5. So it's like hit and trial again. Then there in that case, you have to do like 356 minus 51. That ends up in 305. And then you would have checked dividing 305 by a 5 like that. One option. But I don't think that would have been really a great thing to do. Okay, but that is possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, people, we will not go for a break. Rather, we'll finish all the 3 questions, then go for a break, come back and have a match. Okay, fine. So let's go to question number 10. Wow, so happy. 10, 11 and 12. And last time we ended up having a gold quest again. Today we will have a, what is that? Crypto hack. We'll be stealing cryptos from our friends. Say Rianshi.
Ma'am, I was just going to ask that are we going to play booklet, but we are going to play something else, right?
Something else. Yes. Blue kit only, but in that something else. Once you people get very familiarized with this environment and once you people start following the rules, that is doing the homework on time, everyone completely, fully done the homework, then we can improve your gaming experience also because there are better platforms where we can play much nicer games. So, but then that is the thing only given to the people who do their work and come. And that is applicable to the entire batch. So, say Mishika, then we'll go to Aradhya. Go fast, guys. We don't have time.
We aren't hackers. We just play crypto hacks.
Are we?
Ma'am, we aren't hackers, so why will we play crypto hacks?
We are ethical hackers. This will check your guessing speed. Say Aradhya.
Ma'am, what will we? Last time we had a match on Roman numerals. On what will
Yeah,
we
today
have?
we will have tiny questions, not full long bodmas, tiny addition subtraction questions. Okay.
Ma'am, I did not have a chance of.
Something which you can do mentally, like 4 times 5, 7 times 9, like that. Say, Anvita.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
for the 10th question, I did the sum like this. First, I did the bracket, which is 221, which we plus that with 3.
Thank you.
Then I did the division. Then I did the plus.
Tell me what is the division value. You solve it only, better for us. Divide it by 14.
Okay, ma'am.
How much do you get? You must have done it in your copy, no? See it and tell it. I forgot to rename myself today. Okay, and yeah, there are a couple of people who have not answered. Nanika, are you there? Nanika 3, Nanika 2, Nanika 1. Nanika is not there. Aradhya, you have also not answered. So
Yes,
after Anvita, you can answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Anvita, 3, 2, 1. Say fast, 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 fast. Do it fast. If you don't find it, no problem. Solve it again. Division is easy. Hey, Manvik, where did you disappear? Where are the answers in the chat box, Manvik? Janvi, Devashri, Samriddhi, Arnav.
Sending the answer. I just sent the answer of this question.
I got it. I got it. I got it. You have sent it very early, so I couldn't see that. Now I saw it. Good. Adya, what does crypto hack mean? I'll explain, Adya. Don't worry. It's very similar to what we played last time. It's just that you have to also guess the password of others sometimes. Say, Aradhya, Manoharan, not for you. I'll come give you another question. But if you have a doubt, ask.
Ma'am, so ma'am, I have a doubt.
Ask.
Ma'am, if multiplication goes to the other side, then it will become division. Ma'am?
Yeah. Yes. Thank you. Anvita, ready? No more time. Anvita.
I'm done.
Say. Anvita.
Ma'am, the answer is 15.
No, Anvita.
No, ma'am, the answer is 151.
No, Anvita. 14 times 1 is 14, Anvita. What is the remainder of 22 minus 14?
84, ma'am.
84 is not the remainder. 8 is the remainder. Then you bring the 4 down, you get 84.
Yes.
Now 14 times what number gives me 84? Last digit, Anvita, check the last digit. 4 multiplied with which number ends in a 4? 1 and one more. And any other number? 4 times 4.
No, ma'am.
4 times 6.
No, ma'am.
How? What is 4 times 6? Anirudh, I know you know the answer. You have already got a chance also. Hands down.
Ma'am, 6.
Yes. So that means the only number possible is 6. You can, by the way, check it also. 14 times 6 ends up in a 24, 2 and a 84. So therefore, the answer would be 16.
Okay,
Okay. Fine. Thank you. Aradhya. Not Manoharan. This one is Aradhya only. Next step, Aradhya. 16 plus 14 times 14. What's the next step?
Ma'am, 16 multiplied by 14.
No, there is no 16 multiplied by 14, Aradhya.
Sorry, ma'am, 14 multiplied by 14.
Correct. How much is 14 multiplied by 14?
Ma'am, 14 multiplied by 14 is
Devashri, check your answer. Good, Arnav. Good, Samriddhi.
$196.
196. Very good. And Aradhya Manoharan, finish this. 196 plus 16.
Ma'am, I'm doing the calculations also.
Fast. I think all of you got a chance except Vedant, you got a chance? Tanisha did not get one. Hanifa did not get one. Manvik, I came to you. That time you were confused in the question number. So I'll come back once everything
Ma'am, I
is
got the
over.
answer.
Say.
Now it's 212.
212 is correct. Okay, any doubts anyone here? No? Okay, fine. Then in that case, let's do the 11th one real quick. Whose doubt was 11th question, by the way? Can you raise your hand? Whose doubt was 11th question? Shivani, yours? Okay, fine then. Who else? Rose. Okay, Anvita, yours also. Fine, fine. So look, have a look over here. We'll take the help of whose name I took. Two of you have not answered, I said.
Excuse me, ma'am. It's not my doubt. Sorry.
Ma'am,
It's okay.
Tanisha or Hanifa?
Thank you so much. What a memory. Tanisha and Hanifa. So Tanisha, first operation.
Ma'am, in the bracket 4 multiplied by 2, 8.
Okay, then 96 multiplied with 8. Will we do that? We can do that, right? Multiplication and division should not leave a wrong, different answer. So 96 into 8 is?
Yeah.
Others, chat box, 96 times 8. Devashri gave me the answer. Samriddhi gave me the answer. Thank you.
Ma'am, 768.
Very good. 768. Now the question says 768 divided by a number plus 12 is equals to 720. Tanisha, can we shift the plus 12 to the other side?
Yes.
It will
be
become,
converted into minus 12.
how much is that?
Uh,
780 minus 12?
768.
8. Now the question is crystal clear to everyone. Look at this. Shivani and others, those who had a doubt in this. 768 divided by what number will give you back 768? It has to be 1. Without it, it's not possible. Okay? So is it clear, everyone? Okay, the last question for the day. Oh, we have a doubt? No? Yeah, Jia?
Why did you add only 1?
Not add, divide. Because the number, you get back the same number when you divide it by 1. Like 10 divided by 1 only will give you 10. 10 divided by any other number will not give you back 10.
So, how would we get 780 in that?
We get 768. 780 is already here. We subtracted 12 from it.
Oh, you switched it again?
Yeah, because we wanted to keep all the numbers on one side.
Okay.
Okay. All right, number 12. For number 12, same off. Off is the story. Hanifa, what's the first step we will do?
We'll do 32 divided by 8.
How much is that?
4.
Thank you. What's the other bracket?
26 into 8.
How much will that give me?
208.
Wow, thank you. So now the question looks 63 of 4 plus 208. What's the next step, Hanifa?
We have to add both of them.
Of
No, wait, no. 63 into 4, then we have to add with 208.
how much do we get? 63 into 4.
Now we get 252.
Thank you. So the question now is left with 252 plus 208. What's the answer? Thank you everyone in the chat box for answering. I
Ma'am, it's
appreciate it. Yeah, Shania,
460.
don't ask, you go. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
it's
That's right answer,
460.
Hanifa. 460 is correct. Remember everyone, if you want to go somewhere urgently, whether it is to use your, use restrooms or you want to drink water or anything else, there's someone else you want to quickly go and meet. anything like that, just inform me in the chat box that ma'am, I'm coming back in 2 minutes from ABC place. Okay, and just that much will be enough. All right, Alexa, stop. So 460 is the right answer. You all know this now. Option D. Any doubts, anyone in this exercise? We have fully done this. No doubts? Okay, now I will introduce you to two things. You have to listen to me very, very carefully. The faster you listen and the better you listen, the lesser doubts you have and the more time we have for the game. Okay? So listen to me carefully. After this, I'm going to give you a topic test. Where is my... Yes. I'm going to give you a topic test. So this topic test, 1 second. I'll share the link and I'll show you how to use it also. This is grade 5, competition operation. You are given test 1, right, of number system. So you all have the understanding of what to do. So I'll not go into much detail. Firstly, let me share the link with you. This is the link of your test, everyone. I've shared it in the chat box. Olympiad Success will also be sharing this to you on WhatsApp. So if you see my screen, please remember everyone, step number 1, go to download test questions. Click here to download and the file is opening over like here. Okay. The entire file is on your screen, 20 questions. Please write down the answers of these 20 questions somewhere in your notebook, like 1A, 2B, 3C, like that, till 20. Once you're done with writing all the answers, come back to the same website and click on submit answers. Here you have to give your email ID, name, and as you see, there are no questions printed over here. That is why it is important that you write down all the answers in your notebook and just come and click on this, whatever you think is the right answer. And once you're done, click on submit. Ask if you have any questions. This will be shared by Olympiad Success also, like an OMR sheet. Yes, Samriti, correct. You people are saving a lot of time on your game. Say Arnav.
Like before we have done.
Yes, exactly the same thing. Okay. All right, Sadhna, say.
Ma'am, they will share it in the in the WhatsApp group they made.
Yes, they'll share it. Probably they should share it by today only. If at all they don't, then please copy it from here also. Okay, just in case you don't want to wait for them.
Ma'am,
You have to just click on the link and bookmark the link like this. You can also bookmark it. Click on the star button. It will be saved.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Gia, say. Don't worry, they will still be sending you this.
Can
Gia.
we not have a break and play game?
Oh, no.
That would be a break.
That will be
We
difficult.
don't want break.
No. But I want break. I've been speaking for so long now. Don't
Ma'am,
worry, your game is there. You will have a nice long game. We have more than 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go for a quick 5 minutes break and revise your multiplication tables because you're going to have a quiz on single digit multiplications. Don't worry. So you can play faster. And yeah, let's meet in 5 minutes. Okay, see you soon.
Can you send the booklet?
I'll send the link in the chat box.
Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome, welcome. Only 11 people have joined so far. I've already shared the link 4 minutes, 3 minutes back. So you people please join. You have 1 minute to join. Write your name and join in fast. Okay? We'll get started. 1 minute. Exactly 1 minute. Out of which 20 seconds have gone. Say Jia. Oh, wait. 1 second, Jia. I know there's an unmute issue. Yeah, say.
Again. Okay, never mind. I got it. Just
You got what? Understood.
I understood. I just got to do something.
Okay, people, you're left with only 30 seconds. So please join fast. 30 seconds.
Ma'am, could you send it again?
Yeah, Samriddhi, 1 second. Others will get confused. So I'll send it to you directly. Otherwise, they'll keep on joining again and again. Here's the link, Samriddhi. Be fast.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, there's only you who is left, Samriddhi. So fast. 3, 2.
Ma'am, could you wait? My name is long.
I know. You
Ma'am,
can
my
write
sister
Sam. It's okay.
closed
It's okay.
my
You can
laptop.
write Sam. It's okay. Done. Write Sam and done. Okay.
Ma'am,
Look
have
at
I
the
done
instructions
again?
on my screen, Aradhya and everyone. Look at the instructions on my screen. Instruction number 1. You will be given an option to choose a password out of 5, 6 options. Then you have to answer questions. Every time you answer the questions, you get 3 options to choose cryptos from, just like those gold quest boxes. If you're lucky, you can hack other players by guessing their right password. Okay? And this is a 7 minutes match, so we'll do it quickly. Okay? All the very best. Go back to your screens now. Say Arnav.
Ma'am, but we have to make our own password.
Not make, just choose. Go back to your screen. It will say welcome hacker. Go back to that screen.
Hack करूँ मैं.
Remember that when someone hacks you, you have to play a mini game to come out of that hack. Okay. So you have to do it fast so that your time doesn't runs out. And if you need any help or anything, you just unmute and start speaking. No raising hand. Oh, many people have done opening already. Good job. Good job. Sanika has already hacked Shivani. Oh my God. Same as Adya. Shivani would be like, how is everyone guessing my password? Go. Do it fast, fast. Samriddhi hacked, Aradhya, Aditi hacked, Hanifa. Nice. Parth hacked Manvik. Manu like, oh my God. Then I hacked Aradhya. How are you guessing the right person? Lucky you people are. Samriddhi Srivastava hacked Sanika. Oh, okay. Good thing is that everyone is above 0. That means all of you have started. Oh,
Ma'am,
thankfully.
I didn't. Ma'am, Sadhna has hacked me. Now I don't get how to get out of there.
And then,
I don't get where to get out of there.
what is that game showing, Jia?
Repeat the pattern. I don't know what.
Oh, in repeat the pattern, you have to observe where were the dots clicking. So there is a hack, Jia. Just click everything once. Just click everything once quickly. It is the only way to get out of it. If you don't remember how it was clicked, how was the pattern clicked. If you want, you can share your screen. I can help you.
Yeah, 1 minute. I got 2 of them right now. Yeah, I got them. Yeah.
You got them? Okay, perfect.
Ma'am, I can't play the game.
Why, Parth? What happened?
And there is Aradha hacked and the temperature set 74 is going and
Yeah, so set it to 74. When the temperature matches 74, it will go away automatically.
Okay.
You need help? Share your screen, I'll tell you.
I need help.
Yeah, share. Tell me.
Ma'am, there is something coming in my screen. It is saying start upload.
Just click on that, Adya. It will be over. Aradhya, say. Oh, Shivani, match it. So click it at the top. Click the yellow one, then click the red one. No, you can't click that one. Come to the right side. Come to the right side. Yeah, click on yellow and red. Yeah. Click on the two which you want to swap. Yeah, then again click on yellow and blue so that you can swap the colors. Yeah, now continue. Okay, Aradhya, you were saying something. Say. You needed help, no, Aradhya? Say. Okay, no doubts. Fine. Continue. You have 3 minutes left. Oh, no. 2 minutes left. Sorry? Oh, Advika, I forgot to ask you to invite Harsh. Aradhya, you need help? Why is Aradhya not able to hear me? Okay, fine. People, 30 seconds. Naman, you can write your name.
Ma'am, something like login and something is coming.
Why, Anvita? Where did you click? Share your screen?
Ma'am, how to share the screen?
You are on tablet or phone?
Tablet, ma'am.
Okay, so if it's an iPad, then click on start broadcasting, share, and then start broadcasting.
Ma'am, where is it?
Share at the top, green color button. At the top or at the bottom? Green color button,
Yes.
arrow. Click on share.
Share. Ma'am, there is website URL something like that.
No, Advika. No, Anvita.
Screen, ma'am.
Yeah, click on screen.
Ma'am, start broadcast there is.
Yeah, click on start broadcasting.
Yes, ma'am.
Go back to that screen, go back to that screen.
Ma'am, should I
Where
put
you were-
stop broadcast?
No, just touch somewhere else.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, go back to the browser.
Ma'am, where is the browser? What do you mean?
Where were you playing the
Link?
game, Anvita?
Ma'am,
No,
link?
no, not the link. Go back to the Safari where you were playing the game.
Ma'am, I can't see any Safari.
You
are
have
sharing screen.
You have to
Screen.
switch the app. You can take the help of your mother. You can switch the app.
Okay.
Last 40 seconds, everyone. Ma'am, help her go back to Safari where she was in the match. Probably that would help. But now the time is also over, Anvita. It's okay. Okay, time's up, everyone. It's okay, Anvita. Next time. Congratulations to Aditi, Parth, and Yash as first, second, third. But we have some other players also. I mean, the other first also. Who has done mistakes in multiplication, huh? 100% accuracy from Parth, 32 right answers. Nice. 51 from Aditi. Okay, that's the highest. Vedant also 51, but 2 wrong. Then any 100% accuracy? Yes, we have Kashmir with 100% accuracy, 36 right answers. We have Ibrahim with 100% accuracy, 37 right answers. Good. We have Manvik, 41 questions, 1 wrong. 922 right answers, 100%. Very good. Then we have Shania, 21 right answers, 100%. Nice. Then we have 37, 34, 23. Naman, okay. These guys left early, so no data for them. Say, Mishika, what happened? Okay, guys, we are already over time. Say, Mishika, fast. What?
मुझे 2 wrong है 23 से 25 से बस.
Oh, most probably Blue Kids sometimes have wrong questions, Mishika, but I'm glad how others never got that. Sadhana also got 100% accuracy, 25 right answers. They got lucky. Probably they got lucky. It's fine, it happens. So no need to say that. Blue Kid questions are sometimes wrong. So
Ma'am, who got the highest score?
highest number of answers is 51 from Vedant and 51 from Aditi. I'll count this only. I'll not count accuracy because 2 of the questions were wrong. So no accuracy counting. But yeah, maximum right answer counting is what I'll do. Say
Ma'am,
bye.
everyone kept stealing from me.
No discussion on that, please. We are already late. Say Vedant.
Ma'am, I got so lucky. This time I had 3 people and then nobody hugged me.
Had you. Good.
Ma'am,
Congratulations. Please, Vedant, I'm so sorry. I would love to hear it, but I'm running late. Say bye.
Ma'am, ma'am, I hacked 2%.
Ma'am, I double started the
Can we
test
play at
ma'am.
home? Ma'am, can we
No.
play at home?
No, Arnav, you should not.
Ma'am, with all of the hacked
Bye, ma'am.
1 second, Shania. Bye. No problem. Bye, Scarecrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, guys, wait.
tell something.
Bye, ma'am.
Wait. I heard your bye. 1 second. Let Aditi speak. Say, Aditi.
Ma'am, with all of the options I got for hacking, I guessed everyone's password.
Oh, nice. Okay, guys, bye with this. See you next
the
week.
class was great.
Next
Bye, ma'am.
class,
Bye,
Friday.
ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you. See you on Friday. Please do the test and come. Don't forget. Bye. Take care.